Do you have a favorite object from your childhood that brings back special memories? Is it a blankie? Is it a favorite stuffed toy? Or is it a pet rock? Have you ever made a journaling page about it? Well, today I'm going to show you how I paid homage to my favorite childhood toy in my journal. Today I'm going to design my layout using cards from my Pages in Progress prompt deck, and I'll show you the specific prompts that I pulled ahead of filming, and then you can follow along and create with me in your own journal. As I mentioned, the theme is childhood, and that's the memories, the objects, and the moments. My story card is the story behind my favorite object, describe its meaning to you. And then finally, I'm going to add a technique card for a little challenge, and I pulled washi tape. So somewhere on the layout, I would need to add washi. One of the best things about my Pages in Progress deck is that if you don't have a certain material on hand, you can always pull another technique card. But I do have washi tape in my stash, so I'm going to use it on my page. So I decided to make a page about my favorite stuffed animal, Sealy the seal. I got Sealy while on a trip with my parents. We made a stop in San Francisco on our way to Hawaii and picked up Sealy along the way. As I approached this page, I thought about materials that would evoke childhood. In my stash, I found some rainbow papers, a flower, which I'm going to use as a nod to the lay in the photo, a package of ephemera, some letter stickers, some very old definition style stickers, and another sheet of stickers from a girl themed paper pack. I couldn't decide whether this would be a 1 or 2 page spread, so I just went ahead and trimmed the paper as backgrounds for both pages. Next, I created a title by mixing the letter stickers and mounting them on cardstock. And I mixed them because I didn't have enough letters for the words. But that's okay because I think it makes it look interesting. I changed my mind on the large flower and instead decided to use smaller flowers in different colors to frame the photo. And I also found a cute journaling spot and wrote a brief story about Sealy, which I carried over onto the back of the card. Oh, I almost forgot about the washi. So I used it to create a flap for the journaling and as an anchor of sorts for this tag over here. And lastly, I added stickers and flat embellishment dots as finishing touches. It didn't really make sense for me to make a 2-page layout for this story. I'll probably cover the facing page with a different background or use the rainbow stripes if they're applicable to the next story that's going to go on that page. In the journaling, I included the story of how I got Sealy, and on the back, I wrote a few highlights. One highlight is that he had a girlfriend named Buttercup. Don't ask. And the other is that one afternoon, after playing outside, I happened to see Sealy in the laundry room trash can. My mother washed him and then threw him out because his stuffing had come out. When I saw this, my 7-year-old self lost it. I called my grandmother, my mother's mom, who said in a very curt voice, "Let me speak to your mother." Needless to say, Sealy survived a few more years. So tell me in the comments, what's one object from your childhood that you've kept or you wish you still had? If you like working this way, starting with prompts and then designing a project, I'll be opening my Pages in Progress deck for order in spring 2026. You can join the wait list, which is in the description below, so that you can be notified when they're ready. And don't forget to subscribe to my Pages in Progress newsletter for more tips, inspo, and behind the scenes. The link to that is in the description below as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.